हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आए हैं एक बड़े ही एक्सक्लूसिव टॉपिक के साथ, for which many of you have been waiting for. That is, major things to be considered while studying abroad. Dreaming to study abroad comes with a big to-do list. Right from arranging your finances to plan your journey, you have to do everything by yourself. It is exciting too, but on the other hand, it is tiring too. So, to make the whole process smoother, you need to work smart as well as tough. So not to worry, this video will help you to plan and prepare the adventurous academic journey ahead. So let's jump straight into it. So the journey starts with choosing the right university and the right course. For that, you need to note it down, your interests and your career goals. If you're passionate about a particular field, it will become easier for you to choose a country that excels into that education. For example, अगर आप बिजनेस कोर्स के लिए जाना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट करनी है वो टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज जो आपको बिजनेस कोर्सेज ऑफर करती हैं. Then according to your qualification you can choose for your diploma or a degree. Still confused what to choose, a degree or a diploma? Stay tuned for our upcoming video. That is all about difference between a diploma and a degree. Next up is planning your budget. From application fees to return to your home, you need to note down each and every expenses. जो आपको help करेगा to know your financial circumstances. And you will also get to know that which university fits in your budget. And don't forget to allocate some of the budget for unpredictable situations. Document lining is the key as it is a major part of the application process. For that, you need some of the documents. And the major thing is your passport. You should have a valid passport. And other documents such as academic transcript, academic mark sheet, your financial proof, application form and so on. One of the important part of the planning is currency fluctuation. As market up and down होते रहते हैं, so it may also affect your budget. So, I will suggest you to be mindful of the economic condition of the country you are planning to go. सजेशन से याद है और एक सजेशन लेते जाइए. Plan your logistics, book your flight tickets and try to arrive to that country before your semester starts. Another thing to keep in mind is your accommodation. Book your accommodation before you arrive to that country. Go for the university accommodation and if in case अगर आपको university accommodation नहीं provide करता है, go for some of the private accommodation. So and की rush से better है you would have your accommodation before you arrive. कंट्री से याद आया करंट अफेयर्स. बिफोर अराइविंग टू दैट कंट्री आपको वहाँ की लेटेस्ट न्यूज और वहाँ की सर्कमस्टेंसेस जानना बहुत ही जरूरी है ताकि अननेसेसरी कोई सिचुएशन आपके आगे अराइज ना हो. सिचुएशन से याद है योर हेल्थ कंडीशन. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ, राइट? आई होप यू ऑल विल अग्री विद मी. Health is a supreme thing for us. So many countries have now strict their medical requirement for student visa. So ensure you undergo the necessary medical requirements and other documentations. Health के बाद आती है needs. So हम सबकी पहली need होती है फोन. हमारी पूरी लाइफ कनेक्टेड है हमारे फोन्स के साथ. It's also necessary to update your local data to your international data. And as soon as you arrive to that country, go get a local SIM. So your phone is ready to action. Emergencies कभी भी बता के नहीं आती. They may arise any time. So for that you need to note it down the emergency contact details of that country and also the university details. A quick tip over here is share it with your close one and keep it handy so it is easy to access. Don't overload your bags. Consider the climate condition and clothing styles of your destination. थोड़ी जगह लोकल शॉपिंग के लिए भी बता दीजिए. Adapt the new phase of your journey with an open mind. Remember, goodbyes are tough, but new experiences are also waiting in your way. Prepare yourself mentally. Adapt the unexpected. Enjoy every moment of your transformative journey. Safe travels and we will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, goodbye, take care and enjoy most of your life.